Hi all, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll have a look on word problems on fractions, subtraction. So let's get started. First, let us read the question. At Rekha's birthday party, 5/7 part of the total cake was distributed. Find how much cake is left. Okay, we have to find how much cake is left after the birthday party. See, this is the total cake. From this cake, 5/7 part was distributed. Okay, now we have to find how much cake is left. First, we have to see how to represent the whole cake or total cake as a fraction. Okay, we represent the whole cake or total cake as 1 or else 7/7. See, here how we got 7/7? Let us see. In the question 5/7 is there, right? First you remember the definition of the fraction. Fraction is nothing but part by whole, right? So in the denominator here 7 is there. The denominator 7 says that the total cake has 7 equal parts. So whole means 7 parts out of total 7 parts. Now let us solve the problem. Write the sentences here. Total cake is equal to 7/7. Okay. Cake distributed. Cake distributed. See, 5/7 part of cake was distributed, right? So write here 5/7. Now cake left. How much part of the cake was left? We have to find that. Okay. Now we have to subtract 5/7 from 7/7. Then we will get how much cake is left. Let us do here 7/7 minus 5/7. That is nothing but 7 minus 5/7. That is equal to 2/7. Okay, right here. Therefore, 2/7 part of the cake is left. Okay, or else we can do like this also. Right here, total cake is equal to 1. Here I am taking 1. Cake distributed. Cake distributed is equal to 5/7. Okay. Now cake left is equal to how much? Now we have to subtract 5/7 from 1. See, subtract here. 1 minus 5/7. Okay, here we can write 1 as 1/1. Use the cross multiplication method. 1 into 7. 7 minus 1 into 5. 5 by 1 into 7. 7. Okay, 7 minus 5 is 2/7. Right here. Therefore, 2/7 part of the cake is left. Okay. Now let us see one more same kind of problem. First we read the problem. Abdul is preparing for his final exam. He has completed 5/12 part of his course content. Find out how much course content is left. Okay. Final exams means whole or total content will be there, right? So we have to consider total or whole content as 1. Okay. Now let us solve the problem. See, here write total course content is equal to 1. Right here, completed course content. How much? How much part completed? 5/12. 5/12. 12. Okay. Now we have to find how much course content is left. Okay, right here. Left course content is equal to how much? Okay, now we have to subtract the completed course content from the whole course content. Then we will get how much course content is left. Now subtract 1 minus 5 by 12. Okay, here 1 means we can write as 1 by 1. Do the cross multiplication. That is equal to 1 into 12. 12 minus 1 into 5. 5 by 1 into 12. 12. Okay, 12 minus 5 is how much? 7 by 12. So, therefore, right here. 7 by 12th part of the course content is left. Okay. Now let us go to third problem. A piece of rod 7 by 8 meter long is broke into two pieces. One piece was 1 by 4 meter long. How much long is the other piece? See, imagine this is a metal rod of length 7 by 8 meters and it was broken into two pieces. First piece length is 1 by 4 meters. And what about the second piece length? That we have to find out. If we subtract the first piece length from the total length, we will get the second piece length, right? Let us solve the problem. Right here. Length of the metal rod. Metal rod. How much? 7 by 8 meters. Okay, now right here, length of the first piece. Length of the first piece, P-I-E-C, is how much? 1 by 4 meters. Now we have to find out what is the length of other piece. Right here. Length of the other piece is equal to how much? Now do the subtraction. 7 by 8 minus 1 by 4. Okay, observe the denominators. See, 8 is a multiple of 4. Then what we have to do? Take this fraction and multiply the numerator and denominator with the number 2. So 1 2s are 2 by 4 2s are 8. Now these two are like fractions. Subtract the numerators directly. 7 minus 2 is how much? 5 by 8. Okay. Right here. Therefore, the length of the other piece is 5 by 8 meters. Okay. Now let us go to the last problem. Renuka had 10 meters of red ribbon. She used 3 by 8 meters of the ribbon. How much of the ribbon is left with her? Okay. See, this is the 10 meters long ribbon. Okay. She used 3 by 8 meters of ribbon. Now we have to find how much ribbon is left with her. Okay. Let us write the sentences here. Length of the ribbon. Length of the ribbon. How much? It is 10 meters. Okay. And length of the ribbon used. Of the ribbon used. How much? 3 by 8 meters. Okay. Now, length of the ribbon left is equal to how much? Okay. Now, we have to subtract the ribbon used from the total length of the ribbon. Then we will get how much ribbon is left with her. Okay. Let us subtract. 10 minus 4 3 by 8. Here we have a mixed fraction. 10 means we can write as 10 by 1 minus, convert this into improper fraction. 4 8s are 32 plus 3. 35 by 8. Okay, here we can use the cross multiplication method. 10 into 8 is 80 minus 1 into 35 is 35 by 8. 80 minus 35 is how much? 45 by 8. Okay, convert this into mixed fraction again. Divide 45 with 8. Okay, 8 5s are 40. Okay, remainder is 5. Now write the mixed fraction. What is the quotient? 5. What is the remainder? 5 by, what is the divisor? 8. So 5 by 8 meters long ribbon is left with Renuka. Therefore write here 5 by 8 meters long ribbon is left. Okay, I hope this video is very helpful to you. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you.